Activa RM, or transglutaminase, is an enzyme formulation used to bond raw and cooked meats. It essentially works as glue to hold protein-based ingredients together. If you want the Activa RM to form a solid bond, you must get it into every nook and cranny. Start by rolling and stretching the plastic wrap to form a snug cylinder. Hold both ends twisting in the opposite direction to create a perfect cylinder. As you twist, the cylinder will become shorter and have a larger diameter. It will become very dense. Use butcher twine to tie off. This may require 2 people. Vacuum seal. Refrigerate for a minimum of 24 hours. Yes, the 24 hours are necessary to bind the protein. The cooking time was 3 hours and 10 minutes. The protein was cooked at 148 degrees until it reached the internal temperature of 145 degrees, which took 2 hours and 35 minutes. It was then held at 145 degrees for 35 minutes to pasteurize.
Gently spread a thin layer of butter on 2 sheets of delicate paper-thin phyllo dough. Sprinkle your favorite Asian spice blend over the entire surface. Carefully place the seasoned chicken on one end of the dough and then layer on the carrots, green onions, a flavorful nut mixture, slices of English cucumber, and more chicken. Take care when folding the dough, as it is extremely fragile and can tear easily.